Hello viewers, welcome back to CW Creations. We are with a new product today. Let's have a look at it. We have got a gaming joystick here and it's Cosmic Byte Interstellar. Let us unbox it and know what are the specifications in it. This is how we get the product delivered, covered with a cover. And the box is pretty cool with the key specifications and the manufacturing details with the brand logo. These are the things which we can find inside the box. A single piece joystick, an adapter for connecting with mobiles, a CD for its calibration. This is the user manual through which we can understand what it is. Now we are going to test this joystick with Asus FX505, the Tough series. For the performance video and unboxing video, I have provided a link in the card. These are the LED keys present in the joystick. When it is connected with the PC, the left side LED glows up. It has a turbo button in which two keys can be played with a single button. It has a good haptic vibrating motor which gives us a realistic 3D motion while playing games. The performance of the joystick is really good. While playing games, the handling is very good and smooth when compared to ordinary manual joysticks. When connected with the PC, the left side light glows up, and when it is connected with the mobile, both the light glows up. The joystick can be connected to the mobile with the help of this adapter, which will allow you to connect the joystick with mobiles and play in a random manner. For connecting your joystick with the mobile, you have some procedures to be done. You have to install the application called Octopus before connecting your joystick with the mobile. The Octopus application is available on Play Store. This is all for today. We will be back within a few more days with a new product for you guys, always from CW Creations. Like, subscribe and comment your thoughts and never forget to do them all. Bye bye.